You have a document you want to scan? Yeah, I need to scan it, but I don't have a scanner. It's simple. Use your phone. Once you have your Android phone, find your Google Drive. Open Google Drive, hit the plus button, and you find something here that says Scan. Select it. Allow Drive to take pictures and record video, and I'll select while using the app. Now it automatically turns on your camera, and all you have to do now is get the document that you want to scan, put it into focus, and take the picture. Take a look at that. It's automatically cropped it and made it into a PDF file ready for you to use. You'll notice here that you have some spots that don't look so good. That's because I have a very bright light right up above it. So you need to be a little careful when you take the picture. But a great way to automatically crop and turn an image into a PDF. All you have to do is select Save and select where you want to put it. That's all it takes. A quick way to scan without a scanner. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.